lawsuits against some big-name companies could put money in your pocket tonight.
Joe lets you know how Naturemade Supplements and Bank of America, as well as Walmart, all of them are involved in this. It's new tonight at 6.
It was touted as rebuilding, renewing, rejuvenating your cartilage. But a class action lawsuit claims certain Naturemade Triple Flex and glucosamine supplements didn't do that. A settlement means up to $100 cash or $150 in products. Scott Hardy no longer uses those subscriptions. If you had a Green Dot prepaid debit card or Walmart money card during parts of May last year, you could really rake it in.
Or up to $750 if you can submit some proof that you were involved.
A lawsuit claimed technical issues kept some cardholders from accessing accounts between May 15th and 22nd of 2016, and consumers claimed they couldn't pay bills. More trouble for credit bureaus. A lawsuit alleges Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion reported debts as being owed when they should have been included in a bankruptcy. It affects accounts between 2002 and 9. You could get $20 or up to $750 if you could prove you were harmed. And Bank of America was sued over allegations it pulled credit reports on people who were no longer customers. That would violate the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The settlement payout will vary, but if your report was pulled between 2010 and 2017, check it out. None of the companies admit any wrongdoing, and in some cases the deadlines are very close. So go to abc15.com, click on sections, and let Joe know for all that information. The Better Business Bureau Let Joe Know volunteer team is solving your consumer problems every day. Need help? Call the team, email me, or like the Let Joe Know Facebook page and tell me about it there. I'm Investigator Joe Ducey. If you've got a problem, let me know.
Joe, thank you.